All right, so we're on the next video, and this is the worksheet that you have in front of you. And so I did some highlighting and I filled some things in already, so I'm going to give you time to do that as well. I just wanted to draw some attention to some pieces on this worksheet. First off, you're going to use this blueprint that you see here, and notice I just darkened in to make it a little easier for me to count the grids for these 4 rooms. This is 1 through 4 that we're going to find the area on. And then you can do that or not, it's up to you. And then you're going to fill in, just to save some time, I already counted the width and the length for you. So how I got that, like in the master bedroom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grids going across that master bedroom. So I put a length of 5 centimeters. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's a width of 4 grids, 4 centimeters here. And I did the same thing for bedroom 2. This is a 4 by 4. The kitchen and dining area, this is a 6 by 4. And then half bath, this is a 3 by 2. So I also highlighted the scale that we're going to use. So if you need to take a minute and just write those in, you can pause the video and go ahead and do that and fill that in and be ready to go. And then we will come back and start working some problems out. So pause the video if you need to. All right, here we go. So master bedroom, we're going to find the length and width in feet, as well as find the area for these rooms. So starting with the master bedroom, we're going to use this scale right here. For every centimeter in each room on the blueprint, it represents 3 feet actual. And so the master bedroom, we're going to take and get 2 proportions set up like that. This will be your length, and this over here will be your width. And so we're going to fill the scale in. We're going to take this 1 centimeter is 3 feet, and we're going to put that in the first fraction on both the length and the width. 1 centimeter, 3 feet. 1 centimeter, 3 feet. Just like that. And now you're going to fill in what you counted, or what I counted for you on the grids for the length and the width. So let's talk about the length. Master bedroom, there were 5 centimeters grids across. So we're going to match those labels, 5 centimeters. And then we're going to find out how many feet. So X is going to go in the denominator there. Take the width. There are 4 grids there, 4 centimeters. Fill that in the numerator. X goes on the bottom to find out how many feet. So now we're going to calculate. We're going to use your proportions, and we're going to cross multiply. And so here, all right, 1 times X, 3 times 5. And so for your length, you're going to see 1x equals 15 feet. Okay, 15 feet. Then for the width, right, same thing. 1 times x, 3 times 4, 1x equals 12 feet. So here's your room dimensions. It is a 15 by 12 foot room, 15 by 12. And now the last step is finding the area. So inside this master bedroom, how much square footage do you have? So I put at the top here the reminder of this is how we find area, length times width. And so now we're going to try that out. So let's take 15 times 12. So the area equals 15 times 12, multiply that. How much square footage do you see? Well, you should have gotten 180 feet squared. And really, that's our final answer. So I'm actually going to just highlight that. So for that master bedroom up top, master bedroom, square footage inside is 180 feet squared. Let's also do bedroom 2 together. So we're going to set it up the same way. You're going to have your proportion for your length. And your proportion for your width. So fill in the scale. 1 centimeter is 3 feet on both. 1 centimeter, 3 feet, 1 centimeter, 3 feet on those first fractions. A little closer for you guys. There we go. And so now look at bedroom number 2. So coming back up, this is a 4 by 4. The length and the width are both 4. So I'm going to fill in 4 centimeters on the numerators in both fractions and put X in my denominators because I'm going to find out how many feet. All right, let's multiply. So 1 times X, 3 times 4. Your length is going to be 12 feet. And you have the same thing in the width. So 1 times X, 3 times 4, 1X is 12 feet. So the actual room, bedroom number 2, is a 12 by 12 room. And then let's find your area. So multiply it. So if we do area equals 12 times 12, length times width, square footage in that bedroom number 2, 144 feet squared. Okay, final answer on that. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave you with you trying the other 2. So number 3 and number 4. And remember, these are 2 steps, right? So you have to set up the proportions, find out the feet in length and width. And then that second step is finding the area in that room, the square footage. Then what you're going to do is come down here for 5 through 10. And you're going to do some math problems. So right here, it tells you what the scale is. 1 inch is 50 miles for all of these 6 remaining problems here. You're going to find the actual distance. Now, there are some decimals on these. And so with the decimals, trying to make this a little clearer. I see it's a little blurry. Sorry about that. There we go. With the decimals, you're going to convert those, with the fractions, you're going to, with the fractions, you're going to convert those to decimals. There we go. So 2 3/8. So here, this is going to be 2 point. And if you did 3 divided by 8 in your calculator like we practiced in the warm-up, it comes out 0.375. So 2.375 is going to be the amount of inches that you're going to use. You're going to do the same thing for number 8 and number 9. So you're going to divide those out. 4 divided by 5, which is 0.8 inches. And then number 9, 2 5/6 inches, 2 point, and then do 5 divided by 6, and get 0.83 repeating. Use the decimal format. So now this is just using a map. So this is just a single proportion setup. Just like that. And you plugging in the scale and you making sure that for each one you match the labels and you solve for how many miles. All of these bottom 6 are going to have answers in miles. When you're completed, when you've completed it and you're done, there's an answer key that will be posted on the agenda. You can go and check your answers. And then that's it for today. Again, if there's some remaining time, you'll see on the agenda as well that you can work on the graphing activity, ALEKS, or BuzzMath. So enjoy this activity. Enjoy learning about blueprints. we will see you back on Thursday. So have a great Tuesday and have a great Wednesday at home. We'll talk to you later.